What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hey guys, if you're getting value, it goes a long way if you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So we're going to quickly go over our friend Cardano. There is a large bullish pattern that I want to make you guys aware of. So currently we're sitting at $2.17. We're up about 1.3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 69.65 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 5.18 billion. So let's hop straight into it, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, my favorite app for investing. Extreme benefits, and you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral in the comment section. All right, guys. So the pattern is a very large bull pennant. As you can see, we've been consolidating, creating our bull pennant here. Now we just had a bull flag. I'll draw it out for you guys. So hopefully everyone trading Cardano was able to see that. And if you're investing in Cardano, these are great opportunities to either increase your investment or get in for the first time these patterns with these breakouts. So you can see here that that target was met absolutely perfectly, and now we're having a bull pennant. So if you draw out your flagpole here, can bring you all the way up past $2.46, all the way up to about $2.66. So do keep an eye on that pattern. Cardano has been an absolute beast over the last little while. We are having bearish divergence across the board in the crypto market with many coins. On the 4-hour chart, you can see we created a high, we created a higher high, lower high on the RSI. So do keep that in mind. They can take time to play out. But look how beautifully Cardano has been holding the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart and using it as support. We came down, we found support on the 20 EMA. We came down and we found support on the 20 EMA. So if we continue to see that, your next price target is 246. We have that breakout target. Actually, I'll leave my flagpole in here. We have that breakdown target at about $2.66. And then, of course, guys, we're above the golden ratio. And you know that gives you a strong sign to come back up where you came from and set a new high for Cardano all the way up at about, let's make this $3.15. We would break our all-time high of about 246 and head up to the 1.27 extension, which is all the way up at $3.15. If we look at ADA here on the daily, we can see we are quite overextended. I think a correction is due, but there's a strong likelihood of us heading up to at least 246 or very close to it before seeing that correction. As you can see here, we're at 88 on the RSI, and we have had some bounces off that level right here. In February, we had a bounce, and then we haven't been that high on the RSI in quite some time. So do keep that in mind and trade cautiously here as we are quite overextended. You can see we've broken away. We are starting to see quite a bit of a gap here between the 55 and the 20 EMA. So if we were to go through a correction, all eyes on Bitcoin right now. We're seeing if we're going to break the golden ratio at about 47,608. Back test it as support, then that would give us a large signal to go long, and now we're going to see continuation. But if we continue to hit resistance here and we roll over, I will drop in your levels of support here for ADA. It doesn't correct as hard as it pumps. Similar to XRP, it's a very strong project. So $2.03 where these wicks came down to, and then I'm also going to drop in this swing high for ADA at about $1.89. It also lines up with these levels of resistance here, and it's the swing high from our bull flag. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that pattern. Do keep an eye on these divergences. Let's see here on the daily. Not much of a divergence here on the daily, but we do have a divergence on the 4-hour. But as I said, they can take time to play out. So if it does break to the upside, I will probably enter a long trade, but just trade cautiously as we're quite overextended with ADA. And I do believe that a correction will come. But if we come up and we break our all-time high before seeing that correction, would just be a massive sign of strength for ADA Cardano, in my opinion. So that's it for this one, guys. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, up to $1,600 in bonuses, and it ends August 18th. So don't miss out. My favorite platform for leverage trading. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love.